Hi, I'm Grant Price, AMJ Rock Instructor, and today we're going to look at station management. This video will be the first in a series on this topic. We're going to start by looking at considerations for where to build your station, and then how to organize yourself and your belay device on the master point. When I'm in the mountains, I think of my station as my office space, and then the anchor as my desk space. Ideally, we want to have an office with good views. If I can position myself so that I can see my climbing partner as they follow the pitch, and then have the belayer be able to see the leader on the next pitch, that's ideal. Once I've constructed the anchor, I'm going to connect myself into it with a clove hitch. A rudimentary approach to rope management here is to close off what we consider the Bermuda Triangle. The concern with this triangle is that if we pass people around it, we can create a knot in the system. So to close it off, we'll take the backside of the clove hitch and pass it through the belay loop, pull a bight through, and let that hang. With the triangle closed, we can pass ropes around this tie-in and not create a knot in the system. In a later video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bermuda Triangle to move your climbing partner from one side of the system to the other. With the triangle closed, we need to consider which direction our climbing partner needs to arrive at the anchor. If the route came from the left side, it makes sense that they're going to come in from that side. Given this, I'm going to place the belay device in the direction that they're going to be coming from. As I hang the device, I want to orient it such that the climber strand goes towards the climber and the brake strand goes towards me so they don't have any twist. Pre-hanging this device is helpful in that once I pull the rope up, I'll immediately be able to connect them into the belay device. That one makes it easier on me so I don't have to hold the rope up as I'm getting the device situated, and it decreases the amount of time before they're on belay. Overall, makes you a little bit more efficient as a team, and it helps manage the risk of the climbing partner prematurely unclipping from the anchor, maybe due to a breakdown in communication. I'll pull the rope up. All right, that's them. Locked, functioning. All right, they're on belay, and I'm ready to bring them up. As I'm belaying them, I might start considering where I'm going to connect them at the anchor. In this case, if I'm going to climb off to the right, I can stay where I'm at and they can stay to the left side where they're coming in. If I have an extra locking carabiner, I can go ahead and pre-hang that to anticipate their arrival. Once they arrive, while maintaining a brake hand, they can be connected in with a clove hitch constructed in the air. It's important to do an air clove in this case so that we don't defeat the auto-blocking nature of the ATC guide by clipping their strand directly in. They're secure, and we can take them off belay. At this point, I can also have my climbing partner close off their Bermuda Triangle. In the next video, we'll look at how to manage the rope at the station.